What an awesome opportunity! Located just east of ARP on Highway 64, this home plus 2 large metal buildings sits on 2 acres with a pond. This 2019, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with open floor plan and over 3,700 square feet, has custom finishes throughout, beautiful vaulted ceiling with spruce beadboard, barnwood accents from the 1880s, gorgeous pine floors, and large covered back porch. The kitchen with granite countertops, double ovens, farmhouse apron-front double sink, pot filler, island, and large pantry is a cook's dream. The living and dining area with soaring ceiling is very generous in space and has a wall of windows to enjoy the views. The master suite with sitting area is tucked away, offering a private retreat with a spa-like bath appointed with an oversized shower, double sinks, and separate walk-in closets. Completing the downstairs space is a large utility room with sink, full hall bath, and great storage. Upstairs is a second living area, 2 bedrooms, and a full bath, a perfect space for family or guests. Foam insulation in attic and below the pier and beam foundation. The 5-station sprinkler system is conveniently pumped from the pond. 2 metal buildings are also on the property, one 70x30 and the other is 60x30. The 70x30 is currently used as an embroidery and screen print business. The 60x30 is currently used as storage. Both have 3 overhead garage doors. An abundance of business possibilities. Come see. Come buy.